देशाचे नामनेचो अभिनेतो अमिताभ बच्चनाक तांणी केल्ल्या ताच्या अभिनय मळा वयल्या कार्याक सलाम करतना अंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवा निमतान ताका दादासाहेब फाळके पुरस्कार भेटयलो. बेरेस्तारा दीस जाल्ल्या ह्या पुरस्कार भेटवण सुवाळ्याक माचयेर गोंय राज्याचो मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत, म्हायती आनी प्रसारण खात्याचो सचिव, मनोरंजन संस्थेचो उपाध्यक्ष फळदेसाय आनी हेर मानेस्त आसले. आपल्या कला क्षेत्राक आनी अंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाक अंदू 50 वर्सां पुराय जातात अशें उलोवप अभिनेतो अमिताभ बच्चनान पुरस्कार घेतल्या उपरांत उलयतना सांगलें.
Coming to Goa has always been like coming home. My very first film was shot here. And ever since then we've had many opportunities to work in this wonderful place and receive the hospitality of all the Goanese during our various stints of shootings. I feel deeply humbled and honored. I want to thank the Government of India for this prestigious award. I've always felt that I'm not deserving of such recognition, but I humbly accept this with a lot of grace and affection. It's been 50 years of my journey in this film industry. It started in 1969, and it's the 50th edition of the Iffi, and I cannot but compliment the Government of India and Iffi for having conducted themselves in such a wonderful manner. Each year we find a growth in the delegates that come here, the choice of films that are brought to the country, giving us an opportunity to see the works and creativity of other parts from other parts of the world. I've always felt that cinema is a universal medium, one that is beyond language and beyond all kinds of other factors that keep coming into our social and moral lives. When we sit inside a darkened hall, we never ask the caste, creed, color, or religion of the person sitting next to us. Yet we enjoy the same film, we sing the same songs, we laugh at the same jokes, we cry at the same emotions. There are very few mediums left, ladies and gentlemen, in this fast disintegrating world that can claim such integration in this medium. I hope that we continue to make films that will bring people together and disintegrate this rather odd system of keeping sides due to color, caste, and religion, bringing us all into one community, making us hold hands together to appreciate our creativity and take a step forward in making this world a more peaceful place. Thank you ever so much again for having me here today and for conducting this retrospective of some of my films. The one that we're going to see this afternoon or this morning is a film called Pa, which has been made and directed and sort of idolized by Phalke, the director, who had very strong feelings about the illness called progeria. Progeria, as you know, gentlemen, is a terrible disease that children go through. And they age very rapidly. And by the age of 12, they start looking and behaving like people who are almost 75 years old. And they don't have a much longer life after that. Most of them perish after the age of 13. He felt that he could not just bring to the audience the concept of what progeria is all about, but also build a wonderful, emotional, lovely, entertaining story around it. I don't know if Phalke is here today, but I really want to compliment him. Every time I work with him, he comes across with some weird ideas, and I keep asking him, how the hell are you going to be able to execute this? And what the heck have you been drinking before you thought of this? But he's always been very successful in all his endeavors. He comes across with very unique ideas. He's a person that has grown up from the world of advertisements. He was in charge of an ad agency, a very prominent ad agency, and he matured from there onto making films. Pa is one of those experiments of his. Pa actually means father, just like in any other language. And because it's our Balki and because he's strange, he wanted my son to play my father's role. So you have Abhishek, my son, playing my father's role in the film, and me playing his kid who's suffering from progeria. The benefit of the character of progeria that you see me portraying in the film must obviously go to some very distinguished makeup artists from Hollywood who came across and did all the prosthetics, which were, I think, perhaps seen for the very first time in Indian films. So great congratulations to them. I know that the group that worked on my face for this film did win a national award, and I must compliment them for whatever they did. We continue to work with such makeup artists in several other films. I wish them all the very best. My congratulations to them, and I hope that you enjoy today's film.